of reflection chapter. Here I'll be taking only one sum. This question was asked in 2014, and this is the most important and typical question, I will say. Why so? Understand carefully. I told you that reflection is through only three medium. What are those three mediums? Reflection through x-axis. What happens in this? X coordinate does not changes, and y coordinates only changes in sign. Okay. Reflection through y-axis. What happens in this? Y coordinate does not changes, and now x coordinate changes only in sign. Reflection through origin, the third type. What happens in this? Both the coordinates changes in sign only. Understood? But here, see the third sub question. That's the reason this sum becomes important. B dash is the image of B. Okay, fine. So we have any point B which is given to us as 2 comma 4, and image is B dash when reflected in the line A dash. Okay, so here we are not reflecting B to get the image B dash through x axis or through y or through origin. We are reflecting through any line A dash. Understanding this importance of this question. So that's the reason I'm solving this question. Okay, proceeding to the next slide. Okay, students. So question is in front of you. Hope you can see it clearly. It was asked in 2014. First step, using graph paper to answer the following questions. You know, whenever there is a graph question, but it's compulsory to write the things on the ruled page. Okay, they are telling us that 2 centimeter, that means one big block, one big box should be named as 1 unit, should be valued as 1 unit. Plot the points A and B. Okay, but then too we have to write it on the ruled page. So I just wrote here A is equivalent to minus 4 comma 2 and B is equivalent to 2 comma 4. Of course I will plot it on the graph. I'll show you afterwards. Second sub question, A dash is the image of A when reflected in y axis. Okay, simple. So I just copied here point A. A is minus 4 comma 2, and here now reflection is through y axis. So here I wrote M subscript y. Because reflection is through y-axis, what will happen? Y coordinate will not change. So 2, here y coordinate remain as it is 2 only. But here x coordinate earlier was minus 4, it became 4. So I got A dash. Plot it on the graph paper and write the coordinates of A dash. So I wrote here the coordinates is 4 comma 2. So now what all things I can plot on the graph paper? First thing, I need to plot point A and B on the graph paper. Let's get back to the graph paper. We have a graph paper here on the screen. Hope you all can see this clearly. Okay. We took scale as 2 centimeter as 1 unit, means one big box having value 1. Okay. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. See, one big block having unit 1 value. I plotted point A minus 4 comma 2 and then point B 2 comma 4. Okay. Next step was, once again I'm going back. A dash is the image of A, so we got A dash by reflecting through y-axis. Hope you remember this. Okay. We need to plot the image A dash also. So now I'm plotting it. So now I'm plotting A dash. Hope you all can see on the screen, students. Here it was A. Through y-axis we are reflecting, so it came A dash. Y coordinate remains same, so 2 comma 2 same, sorry, 2 and 2 remain same. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. So this is my A dash. Oh, great. So up till now we solved 2 sub questions. First sub question was just plotting A and B. Second sub question was getting the image of A, which is A dash, when reflected through y axis. And here now comes the catch. Okay, let me put on the screen the question. Can you all see the questions? Students, see this third sub question. B dash is the image of B. Okay, मतलब B का image है B dash when reflected through line A dash. Where is A dash? Can you see this? This is A and this is A dash. So once again, I'm reading the question. B dash is the image of B. So B is a point. Here, see the cursor. B is a point. We need to get B dash, its image, but when reflected through A dash. Okay. So now what to do? It's given here that the axis of reflection is A dash. That means I need to join this A and A dash. Okay. I have joined here on the screen. See here. I have joined it on the screen. A dash. Next, I need to find the image. See students, how to find. It's very simple now. This was a point 2, 4. I need to reflect this point through this red line A dash. Okay. Now see here, it's a basic principle of science. If you consider this red line as a mirror, distance of an object from the mirror is always same as the distance of the image from the mirror. Distance of an object from the mirror will always be equal to distance of the image of that object from the mirror. Can I say two big boxes is the distance? So same two big boxes is the distance of the image. And of course, rays travels in the same straight line. So two boxes here. So just leave two boxes here. This is B dash image. And this point is 2 only. So 2, 0. But here see this, the y coordinate changes entirely. Here it was 4 and here it is 0. Understanding? Because here we don't have a standard reflection axis. X, Y and origin are called standard reflection axis. Okay. But I will highlight one thing over here. If you see this axis, red color one, understand this concept. Red color axis. To which coordinate axis it is parallel with? I'm asking you, if you see this red color axis, to which coordinate axis? X या Y? किससे parallel है ये red line? You all will say, of course, this red line is parallel to x-axis. So students, it will behave or it will exhibit some properties of x-axis. That is, because red line is parallel with x-axis, so here x coordinate will not change. So 2 यहाँ भी था, 2 ये same रहा. And of course, y coordinate will be altogether new thing. Because here we took the concept that because A dash is the line, so दो boxes ऊपर है object, तो दो boxes नीचे. But then this was the concept behind it, that because my reflection axis A dash was parallel to x axis, so x coordinate now also it will not change. So B dash is the image. Next, what's the question? Write the coordinates of B dash. Okay, we wrote. And of course, you have to write this on the rule page also. Write the geometric name of A dash, B dash. A dash, B dash. A to B we have to join. Then B to A dash. Then A dash to B dash. And then B dash to A. You have to join it. Oh, wonderful. We have the diagram here. So what's this, students? Of course, it has 4 sides. And the name of this quadrilateral is a kite. It's a kite. Okay, students. Hope you understood this question. Thank you.